In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Premier RSI Oscillator Indicator in TradingView Pro Quick and Easy Guide. Let's get started right inside your TradingView chart. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open for any market you want to analyze, such as a stock, crypto pair, or forex pair. Once your chart is visible, we're going to open the Indicators menu. At the top of your TradingView screen, look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually located near the middle of the top toolbar, close to options like time frames and templates. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new window on your screen with a list of indicators, strategies, and built-in tools you can use. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This search bar is the quickest way to find any specific indicator without scrolling through a long list. Click in the search field so your cursor is active there. Now, start typing the name of the indicator exactly as you want to use it. Type Premier RSI Oscillator. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below the search bar. After you've typed the full name, you should see the Premier RSI Oscillator appear in the list of results. Once you see it, click on the Premier RSI Oscillator entry in that list. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be added to your chart. You'll notice a new panel appear, usually beneath your main price chart, showing the oscillator with its lines and levels. This is where you'll be able to read overbought and oversold conditions and get a feel for momentum in the market. After the indicator is added, we want to adjust it so it fits your personal trading style. On the left side, or directly on the indicator's title bar, hover over the Premier RSI Oscillator label. You'll see a small gear icon appear, which represents the settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window. Here you can customize things like the RSI length, smoothing, colors, and style. If you're new to this indicator, it's often a good idea to start with the default settings so you understand how it behaves before making changes. Later, you can tweak line colors for better visibility or adjust levels to match your strategy. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, make sure to use the link in my video description to sign up. That will give you access to more indicators on a single chart, additional tools, and a smoother experience overall while you're using the Premier RSI Oscillator.